Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to install the Brave browser on a Mac. Let's begin. First, open Safari or any browser you have on your Mac and go to the official Brave website, brave.com. On the home page, click the button that says Download Brave. The site will automatically detect you're on Mac OS and download a .dmg file. Once the download finishes, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the brave.dmg file. A window will pop up with the Brave icon and the Applications folder. Drag the Brave icon into the Applications folder. This installs the browser on your Mac. Now, open your Applications folder, find Brave Browser, and double-click to launch it. The first time you open it, Mac OS may ask for confirmation since it's downloaded from the internet. Just click Open. That's it. Brave is now installed and ready to use on your Mac. You can even set it as your default browser if you want. And that's it. That's how you install the Brave browser on a Mac. Thanks for watching.